at the Modern Age Girls Campus. We collaborated for tips, and the students have not only grown in their academic skill for the board exams, chances of securing admissions in different professional colleges, especially the MDCAT and ETA exams, NAST and GIKI and FAST and you name it, and the students, they have qualified for that, their MDCAT and ETA classes, in making them confident to apply for different universities. The collaboration between Modern Age and KIPS spans over a decade. We initially participated in teacher trainings projects with them, and we worked on how the classroom teaching at Modern Age, especially in the board classes, can be improved. And we also collaborated for Students Quality Circles programs. This led to the initiation of the KIPS Abbottabad campus at the Modern Age Girls Campus. So how this has benefited our students, I think that the students have not only grown in their academic skill for the board exams, but at the same time they have improved their chances of securing admissions in different professional colleges, especially the MDCAT and ETA exams. Our students, they have qualified for all the public and private sector renowned universities like NAST and GIKI and FAST and you name it, and the students, they have qualified for that. And the teachers, they have improved their teaching methodologies, their subject content, and they have improved their use of IT skills as well, because the LMS of KIPS is a very comprehensive program that provides detailed lectures as well as quizzes and notes and a lot of other teaching and learning materials. They helped our students and teachers to revise whatever has been taught in the classrooms at their own pace at their homes as well. They not only have to secure good marks in the board exams, they also have to secure placements in professional colleges. The head office of KIPS ensures that the work plans are made in such a way that the syllabi are covered in proper time, and then the revision plans are made, and then the test session is conducted, and then when they have their MDCAT and ETA classes, the students, they move from the understanding of knowledge to the application and analysis level of learning as well. So KIPS has helped our teachers as well as our students in becoming better learners, in reducing the fear among the children for the board exams, and in making them confident to apply for different universities. So I hope that this collaboration continues in the future as well. And the sole purpose was to provide a platform to our students within a secure environment, especially for the girls. In their own school, they have an additional service from which they can benefit in a safe and secure environment. And they can consult the teachers who are no doubt highly professional and who have a very good grip on their subject, as well as they have a sympathetic attitude towards the students also. So the students, they are not lost in the crowd, rather they remain the focus of attention of the teachers throughout the period that they spend here at KIPS. Thank you.